Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the throttle body on a Dodge, the 3.5 engine, which will be the Magnum, the Charger, or Chrysler 300, and even some other vehicles. Or this is a 3.5, and that's where your throttle body is located. It's good even to clean them once in a while because they tend to get dirty, and it might even improve the performance of the car and the gas mileage as well. First thing that you need to do, you need to pull those clips right here so you can open the lid for the air filter right there. And after that we need to loosen that hose right here with a flathead screwdriver and the clamp right there. And now we need to push the red thing back and push down and pull. That's where the map sensor is right here. And now you can just pull out the whole box, like the whole top of the box, the lid, with the hose. First thing, you need a 10mm socket to remove. There is one nut right here and one nut right there, okay? Two nuts, as you can see. And now that bracket is holding the throttle body and the intake, preventing it from vibrating. And now on the bottom, you need to loosen. There is two bolts right here. You'll be able to find them. There is no way, guys, we can show you exactly. Okay, one is right there and one right here. And now you need to remove those bolts. Once you loosen them, you can go by hand. Usually they turn pretty easy with 15mm wrench. That's the only way to go, guys. Just regular wrench like that, because with the ratchet it's really not very convenient to get in there. So we need to remove those two now. Okay, as you can see, that's one of them. Good thing about those, they don't tend to rust there, so they come out easy once you start them. Okay, and this is the second one, because that bracket is holding the throttle body and it will be in the way and we won't be able to remove it. Okay, we got it out. As you can see right there, that's the bracket we're talking about. Now the wires, the plug, you need to push back, and now you need to push down on the clip there. Okay, they tend to get stuck, and pull at the same time. Okay, you can see how stuck that thing was. And now with the 10mm socket, there is 4 bolts you need to remove. So you need to take all 4 of them out of there. Okay, right there. And there is one there. Okay, the second one out of there. And now just 2 of them. And they're more like screws because they screw into plastic. Okay, and the throttle body, guys, as you can see, just came out of there now. Okay, you can see how bad that thing is. It definitely needs to be clean. You look at all the carbon inside of it, carbon flakes. So if you clean it, it will improve the performance of the vehicle, and it might clear engine light if you have engine light related to throttle body. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to... Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.